Hi there, Diego here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix an issue in NutriAdmin where you have an event that you just try to update and it doesn't work. So let's say I have this event in here, Google event, and if I try to move it around, I'm going to move it to Friday, this one works, but then I have this one here, and this one will give me an error if I try to change it. You see, there was an error updating the event, and this one is not going to work either. So the reason this happens is actually not a bug with NutriAdmin. This is to do with your Google permissions. So if I go here to settings in NutriAdmin, integrations, I am currently logged in to, so I have multiple Google accounts, and I'm currently logged into this one, paultracker@gmail.com. You see how it says owner? That means that this is the account I'm logged into. But then I am also synchronizing with several shared calendars, including this one that says free busy reader and this one that says reader. So that is the problem. When it says reader, that means that Google doesn't give me permissions to update it. It should say owner or permission to update. So how does this look like in Google Calendar? So I have 3 tabs here for my 3 different accounts. So this is the Paul Tracker account. This is the main account that I'm synchronizing with, and you see in yellow this Google event. That is the one that I am free to move in NutriAdmin. So because I am the owner, I can move it anywhere I want, edit it. If I go back, you see how it moved. However, for example, if you see here green, I have this NutriAdmin support calendar, and this one it doesn't even tell me what the event is. It just says busy. So that's due to the permissions. If I go to my NutriAdmin support account and I click on NutriAdmin support, settings and sharing, here I can see that I am sharing this with Paul Tracker, but I am only allowing the account to see only free and busy. It's hiding all details. So you can click here and you need to make it available, make changes to events. And you can see here that I don't have that option. That is because this is a business account and the organization may limit how I share the calendar. So yeah, you can click here for more details if you get that error in Google. And you can see it's not a problem with NutriAdmin. It actually depends on Google configuration. So if I'm in Google Calendar, I take this event and I try to move it here, it just tells me I cannot reschedule the event. Yeah, if you've been using NutriAdmin before 2024, perhaps you didn't have this error, but Google has introduced new security measures so that you need to explicitly grant permission to modify the event. So now finally, let me show you the other example. So in here I have this other account. This is not a business account, so I can click on here on the dots for my calendar, and I'm gonna go to settings and sharing. In this case, I'm sharing with Paul Tracker, and I am allowing to see all details. So I'm gonna allow make changes to events. And when I do that, and settings get saved, now I should be able to go to the NutriAdmin, and if I refresh the page, I check in the settings, integrations, you see that now it says, previously it said reader, and now it says writer. So now I have permissions to edit this calendar. I can go to my calendar, I can take this event and I can modify it. I should work. And it doesn't work here. Maybe it takes a bit to update, but it should eventually work. And I can come here and modify here. There we go. I just had to refresh the page. So it may take a few seconds. If I go here, now it's been modified. Yeah, you can, you saw how it worked there. If it doesn't work after a minute or two, you can let me know and can have a look at it, but it should work after doing this change. And for the other account, if it is support, you're gonna want to yeah, clicking here for more details if you have a business account, and basically you're gonna have to log into the admin console of Google and give permissions there, and hopefully that should solve the issue. So let me know if you have any questions, and hope this helps.